Euro USD daily chart, you can see this wave top to bottom fib retracement from both sides are complete. So these two are big level. Until these level break out, there is no trend. And this recent level big static horizontal support, after breakout it is now testing. First tested as a resistance, now testing as a support. So this week in the end, Fed FOMC monetary policy decision, that means dollar action, will decide where this thing will go. If Fed pivot into hawkish mode, then dollar will become strong, Euro USD can come down. That means this support level can break out. So watch carefully this daily time frame horizontal support level. USD JPY daily chart. This is most important before Fed FOMC this week. BOJ exit negative interest rate, that means your 0% interest rate system, that means deflation era, that is ending, and their 3% inflation target. When Fed shift from 0 to 3%, then BOJ can shift from negative to 0, but all of them will hike at the same time. And Yellen already saying they will never return back to 0% pre-pandemic level. This is also important. For Fed to control dollar, they need to control JPY and Euro, two big currency. And this monetary policy change is historic. After a long time they are doing rate hike. If opposite happen and a price fly above 151, then this is a big size horizontal resistance. Because in the end, all of them are slave of Fed. Dollar turn bullish this week, then this pair can go up. Again, Fed is more powerful than BOJ. So they are maintaining exchange rate, they are shifting Fed from 0% and BOJ from negative. So this area first big support level, daily chart, and 151 first big resistance. USD CAD daily chart, you have static horizontal support and resistance level, the clear level, trade retest or breakout. USD CHF daily chart, big static horizontal resistance level on daily chart. So if Fed become hawkish in shocking way, so if dollar become bullish for upcoming week because of Fed, and if this level break out, then on retest you can easily buy. Before that, this is your short term support level. Bitcoin weekly time frame, new all time high, you can see instant rejection on weekly candlestick. So they are taking profit. If somebody buy here, then this is a bad thing, because right now you have big risk of a correction, and this is the entry price of ETF investor. If they are buying because of recession, then recession already cancelled after NFP. If they are buying because of Fed second inflation wave, that means stagflation. If Fed said anything about second inflation wave, then this will be second warning by Fed. Bitcoin H4, this ending diagonal chart pattern I said before downside breakout, before profit taking begin. If there is a new chart pattern for Bitcoin, I will update next time. But you can see step are complete, breakout of lower trend line, then retest, then new lower low. But this area you can see big static horizontal support level near 55k. But profit taking has begun. GLD daily chart, I have shown you that volume chart. Now that chart is viral. They are dumping GLD for Bitcoin, but because of physical buying, gold is up. If you see GDX daily chart, then this level 25.62 big static horizontal support level. And since gold breakout, people are buying mining stock. If gold collapsed from new all-time high, goes below 2150 level, but most important, it stay below that level, then this is bad thing for mining stock. If you see silver daily chart, then these recent daily candlestick, they are buying silver because gold is flying, gold is making new all-time high. Only reason. For daily chart, watch this trend line carefully, made using closing price. This is your dynamic resistance level. 2150 in gold is static support. If that gold support breakout and that trend line does not break out in silver, then it can retrace back from this dynamic resistance level. If you see oil daily chart, price almost there, ready to test trend line third time, and this last wave 50% correction complete and a big size static horizontal resistance. All of these things are same place from 80 to 85 level. So this area from 50 to 61% retracement of this last wave, that means 81 to 84 is your resistance zone. You can see there are multiple resistance at the same place. Intraday you can try selling. Oil does not go down from here, then you can expect USDCAD will create more problem. It is already up, clear risk of second inflation wave. If it break out this resistance zone, then politician will panic. CPI does not go up, that is one thing, but breakout in oil can create a panic. So this area 81 to 84 big static resistance zone. If price fail to break out this resistance zone, then it can go back to 64 support area. You can try selling in this area on intraday H1 chart with small size, because in case of breakout, politician will do something, especially USA. SP 500 daily chart, no big change. Still, retest of this trend line will be first major support level. If you see daily chart closely, then you have this parallel channel, price testing upper and lower trend line. If breakout come on retest or maybe retracement, you can start selling. But change from Fed FOMC compared to their December SEP, thing can change, and hawkish FOMC change. You can see already you have multiple red candlestick. VIX daily chart, when it jumped in big way, we were bullish right at the bottom. Now Goldman is bullish on VIX and they are bullish till April month before FOMC meeting. So right now we have no trade on VIX, and after FOMC meeting we will decide what will be next strategy. If you see NASDAQ daily chart, then you have ending diagonal chart pattern breakout. All steps are done, lower trend line breakout, retest, then new low. So if this high survive this week and Fed tone change, then these things will stay down until we get clarity on first rate cut. Dollar index daily chart, first it goes up, then retracement almost 61, and when price was there I updated in Telegram, but because of Indian festival holiday I could not make video. That time it was testing few retracement and it was highly oversold, same like overbought gold. But after this 61% retracement, this is your big static support level 102, and you have multiple closing, price showing strong rejection from full retracement. So FOMC tone about stagflation panic will be most important this week. Again, I am saying this is not for ordinary trader, this is for hedge fund. For intraday H4 chart, if you need more information from this high AVC wave, then wave C 100% projection. You can see big pin bar. Since then it is up. So 102 big static support level and first nearest resistance 103.209. If dollar turn bullish because of Fed FOMC for next few weeks, then wait for breakout of this blue line. Then after retest you can easily buy. Breakout of 103.209 level will be technical confirmation that Fed did something for bullish dollar.